is, of course, just around the corner, which means getting immunized to protect yourself against various airborne viruses. Now, here to share his perspective on this year's respiratory season is Walgreens Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Kevin Ban. Kevin, how are you?
I'm doing great, Elliot. Thanks for having me on the show.
It's our pleasure, and thank you for informing our viewers, of course. Now, in your expert opinion, what should we be expecting this fall?
Well, Elliot, what we do is we take a look at the southern hemisphere to see what's happening there. Of course, they're towards the end of their winter, and they have seen a lot of viral illness. So we're expecting a very active upper respiratory season, and so we're recommending that all people be prepared.
Now, when you mentioned people being prepared, and you mentioned the research and experts that have been looking into this, what are the vaccines that you would recommend people should get?
Yeah, I think prevention is really the keystone here. This is exactly what you want to do. And now is a very good time to do it. You want to think about getting the COVID shot, which was just recently FDA and CDC approved, along with the flu shot. And then for some patients, RSV is going to make sense as well.
Those are all very, very important, obviously. Now, if there is anyone out there that is experiencing respiratory symptoms, what should they do?
Right, so it happens where you might have a cough, a sore throat, a stuffed up head, runny nose. It's important to know what's causing your symptoms. And so Walgreens is offering flu testing, we're offering COVID testing, because when you know what it is, you can actually treat it.
Right, so Walgreens, of course, is my number one stop for everything that I need from the pharmacy. Viewers watching, if they wanted to schedule an appointment with Walgreens, what do they need to do? How do they do it?
Right, we're trying to make it as easy as possible. So you can use the Walgreens app. You can go to walgreens.com. You can call 1-800-WALGREENS. And if none of that works for you, Elliot, then go ahead just into our stores, and our pharmacists will help you navigate through.
And contacting one of the pharmacists there, Walgreens are very good with that. It's people obviously can go in person, but you can also do things online. Is there a better way you suggest people to do that?
Yeah, look, I think many people are online these days, and my team is responsible for putting up really good content to help people educate or get educated around the respiratory virus season so they can begin to understand it, and then give them information that allows them to make a decision about which vaccines to get.
You mentioned, of course, already flu and COVID. The RSV, explosion that's happened, is that something that people should keep an eye on? Is there any kind of signs that people need to, pay attention to in order to protect themselves?
Well, look, RSV has been in population for a long time. I can tell you when I finished medical school just about 30 years ago, we had RSV. What's interesting now is that we have a vaccine for it for people that are 60 years and older, and then for women towards the end of their pregnancy. This is a good time to talk to your doctor and get information about the RSV vaccine. And if you can't do that, then just go in and talk to our pharmacist, and they can help you.
Some people get concerned about, I've heard people use things like, vaccine stacking. People get concerned, can I have all these different vaccines at the same time? Can people get flu and COVID and RSV vaccine all at the same time, or should they stagger it?
Yeah, so the short answer to that, Elliot, is yes, you can get them at the same time. I think every person is an individual, and so it's great to have guidance around that. So we're going to offer, when you go online to schedule your appointment, we're going to offer the other vaccines, but you always have the chance to talk to the pharmacist, and we want to curate the care to you.
I think the beauty of this is the fact that, we're speaking to an expert right now, so we appreciate your time. For more information about flu, COVID-19 or RSV vaccinations, you can use the Walgreens app or visit walgreens.com/schedule vaccine. You can also call 1-800-WALGREENS to secure an appointment in advance.